Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But you know my style, one bag of bag, and no one I gotta continue getting them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with Dancehall Princess turned international pop star Queen Shenseea because she's making her rounds around social media because Blueface posted her, dancing to his new song Barbie with his baby mother Jade. This email saying a lot of people think Shenseea is gonna be his next victim because she look good and she bad like Christian Rock. This email said, but I have a feeling she's gonna be on a remix to the song she was dancing to, Barbie by Jade and Alexis. This email said, because he's been hinting towards it for the last couple of days, saying, who should we put on the remix? And, he said, you'll never guess who on the remix. You see me? And then we see the video with Shenseea.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass.
And, the people that was tagging Jaden and all of these stuff. And, Jaden reposted, Shenseea in our story. As you can see, you see me, I said so. It'll probably be a good look for Shenseea for work with them so she can break through in the American department. But a lot of people is saying people is just paying, Blueface just to pay celebrities to play, them girls song. So she can bust and them can sell out to record label and all of these stuff. Let's give you a quick update what I go on for to go and put in the comment section. Are you down to hear Shenseea on the Barbie remix? You see me, I said let's proceed to the next. Me think this Alice from Crab Circle-ish did over, but it looked like the issue get serious because Alice's little brother is complaining about a situation that happened to him in a Westmoreland. He was trying to boil some soup, but because of the incident with his sister, Alice at Crab Circle, some people told him that he cannot cook no ish there. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy.
Alice last brother here. May I tell you, say, the rough all about is Alice cut that piece of thing what she doing at the business, the piece of shit. You know, some live all the way at Westmoreland and me sell me soup. You see it, and it affect me down here, so. This morning me come out to catch up my fire and put on my pot on fire. The boy them going to tell me, say, me can't cook no shit here, so. So I say, then a long time me there, so I do my thing. So how come it a go be shit now? He running at the family because my sister started up at town and that's something I used to go on at the family. Have the bumper clock wrong with them people right over there? And my livelihood that me can put on my soup this morning because them people say, me I go put shit in it. Me not come down there and wait there. And Alice fuck you up all over the place, man. And my sister, I love her, she can wait about what she do. It mash up the whole place. And I beg on man, no want to go and intervene in this because right now, they tell us, say, brother, we can't put all the pot on fire and hit the different part. We have one daughter go to school, and they tell us that we have bills to pay, we have everything to pay, and they will tell me, say, we can't put all the soup. I want to go out, Father God, intervene in this. We always do up at all, and nothing to do with me in our Westmoreland. So we want to allow me. And I want the mayor and the councillor and the customers all of them to come in and intervene in this because I want to put on the soup. And that's how I eat my food. I beg her. And I tell her, say, boy, the system mash up the whole country. Nobody can survive again when it comes to food. And me have to survive and me look some help. So right now, rent a day night next week. I'll be there. So please, what I can do for this? Do me a beg for the help.
Now, I don't know if this is Alice's real brother, but them have strikingly similar features. You see me, all of us black Jamaicans look alike some way or another. You see me, so but putting in the comment section what do you think about that. Is Alice and her family bad for business? You know what I mean? Let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, major update in this situation with Phillip Paullwell and his deceased baby mother Toshyna Patterson and his daughter, Sarah. This is because of wicked people like Leoda Bradshaw, according to the JCF. This is well, Toshyna Patterson family has broken silence and is happy that who has been locked up has been charged. This is because the past month had been tremendously difficult for our family as we grappled with the abduction of our beloved daughter, Toshyna Patterson, and granddaughter, Sarah Paullwell. We prayed for their safe return home, but our prayers weren't answered and they were the way we hoped. As the unimaginable news was reported to us, nothing could have prepared us for the events that unfolded with the abduction and the gruesome murder of our daughter and granddaughter. Our beautiful granddaughter, great granddaughter, niece, and cousin Sarah Paullwell were the joy of our family, always laughing, always ready to play. Tash was so kind, gentle, and always wore a beautiful smile. She always had a story to tell and was always ready to talk your ear off. Her success as a businesswoman was a testament of her hard work and determination. She was able to start and maintain her company on her own for many years while attending school while pregnant. We as a family were looking forward not only witnessing Tash flourish in her many endeavors, but was also looking forward to seeing the wonderful person that Sarah would have, bloomed into. We are heartbroken that we won't be able to witness our beautiful, beautiful family members live a great life. We want to express our sincere gratitude to the people of Jamaica and around the world for their unwavering prayers, condolences, and support during this incredible, difficult time. We want to acknowledge and thank the media for the coverage of our story. We are also grateful for the hard work and dedication of the Jamaican Constabulary Force and to everyone who is involved in the ongoing investigation to ensure justice will be served. As a family of faith, we find comfort in the prayer and continue to look to God and strength to overcome this extremely difficult time. We emphasize with anyone affected by the atrocious act, and hope justice will be served for our beloved Tash and Sarah. We ask for our privacy now as we are mourning the loss of our loved ones. Wow, beautifully written. Toshyna family, they sound very smart, You could feel, the emotions being held back in that statement. She simply said, cause them have to hold strong and make sure justice is, sees through. But just wanted to give you an update. Well, go on for not to go on. Maybe some of you have missed it. Pretty sure most of them have read it already, but just I gave you an update. Put in the comment section. What do you think about that? Okay, people, I have some bag of photo up with Wayne Wonder and Wayne Marshall because Sunday is saying that them want Wayne Marshall locked up if him not return the award he was given the other day. You see, man, some people not take this serious, but the sender said, LOL, the morning, the award they give Wayne Marshall was in an error because it was meant for Wayne Wonder. They have 24 hours to turn it in, else they're going to put out an arrest warrant for him. People, it's not that serious. It's embarrassing. But nevertheless, this Sunday said, I knew something wasn't right for them to give him an award. All him do is sing over a few songs and Bounty Killer caught him up on stage. But, all Jamaicans stay, he's with an uptown Chinese-looking woman. All the veterans upset because they put in the work, like Peter Metro, Luther John, Cutty Rankin, Tristan Palmer, etc. Bless them. So people putting in the comment section what you think about that. Kamar McGregor and a few other people came out, to chastise, him getting the award and all of this stuff. But, all the thing I run nowadays all about social media and followings. And if you have a light-skinned Chinese thing by your side, or a whitey, Jamaican, PNP, JLP is going to swallow it up and push it out there. You see what I say? Because out of many, only one ethnic group now get nothing. And that's the black ones. You see what I say? But anyway, let's proceed to the next. No, people say I lie. Dressmaker boy, I tell you. See what I say? After Romeich said it was just a publicity stunt. Yes, had no entry fee at his job fair. So let's take a look at what he has to say and then we'll proceed.
Charge that I was going to charge. As I say, when you come in and people just walk in, it's not a charge. You get me? I say, this execution is costing me roughly about $350,000. And I am only here to do maybe 400 to 500 people for interview. I don't see my team doing more than that for the day. Although so far we're here in the first 45 minutes and we have over 70 to 100 people already here. But Jamaica need for wise up. This is not a money thing. I make my money off of entertainment and working with corporate and keeping my events. And if you have sense, you notice my two biggest parties, my birthday party, the entry fee is free. You buy liquor. Waterworld, the entry fee is $2,000 and you drink free. So why is it that now I keep something of a caliber where looking staff and better people and they're not gonna tell me say, even if I wanted to charge $1,000, so what? What is it to look, and if what maybe wouldn't never like the wording, but if I did say $1,000 for processing fee, you wouldn't say nothing. Or suppose I did say, hey, we're keeping a job party where you come and you get entertainment and you pay $1,000 to enter and you might get a job. It's the same thing. But because you put and say, oh, $1,000 entry fee, where everybody want blah language. I was shocked. I see people attack my girl, I see people attack my family, I see people say that, and it trust me, if me was a person like this would follow people, the amount of people I say, yo, don't keep it, don't this, but me know what me that do. You get me? I say, people email the ministry, so the ministry just send a letter coming in, say I'm approved to go ahead and do what I'm doing, because in the email that I sent to them, asking go ahead to do this, there was nothing in it said I was charging the people. So I just show and say, no, because a man come and put say have one Chris car up on the media, means say the car, Chris. You know, see it could be the shell. Remember say most women put filter for them look good, you meet them a road and them none of makeup and a different something. So we have to understand say certain things one can ask and reason it out rather than bash it and disrespect people who are on the country and the culture. You get me I say? And that's the thing when I show with Jamaican. I'm gonna say Jamaican because I defend Jamaica more than anything else. That's the biggest thing when I say we as ourselves. Instead of a couple people message me and say, Romeich, give me an idea how this go. I don't agree with it, I don't respect it. You want to come now and say the man a scam and the man a thief and the man go on vacation with him woman and trust me, I true we don't want to sound hard and sound harsh, but I'm solid. I don't need them something to do what I do. And I tell you, so the grace of God and my blessing. Sometimes I don't understand how I reach us up, but I reach us up and I just love what I have and the kindness of my hand and I do certain things. Because if me to get up and say I done this and I do this, enough people go up on media and say no, I have job space for 11 years. We have job space for 150 persons. As well as my other business associates are asking me to look staff for them. And how I'm doing this is that I'm going to choose who I want for my team and I'm going to pass over those connections and I'm going to filter it up. I'm going to say, okay, I interview 10 persons that are drivers, looking at this person and checking out this person is a good driver, this person is a good driver, but him have only a ticket, this a person, and filter it out so I can put to my team and say, listen, I did not choose this person, but I think they're second best. You understand? These are things where, come on people, you cannot pay me for this either. It's not like so we just come and do something and done. You filter things where, and you know the beauty with it? No problem. Within now to December, you always see it. Because I'm going to make sure, show no new people in my work. I'm going to make them people like you, a little bio to say, yo, I'm come today, I'm this and that, and that me I don't know. I'm going to understand because one to have to see things to believe it.
Yes, as you can see in the comment section, people that say move your blood clots, other backlash when I run from. Liar, pants on fire, you know what I mean? Because of, it was, basically upset people was upset he was charging $1,000 fee. You know what I mean? As you know, these job fairs are free in America. This I said job fairs are different from agencies where you pay, a thing to get in. You know what I mean? Or them take out a thing out of your first paycheck or however it go. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm not going to go this no longer. Put in the comment section what you think about that. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop the latest. Bliss.